Hello again, this is Marsha Berry with Camden County Cooperative Extension, and today we're going to be making paper airplanes. So the paper airplane that I'm going to be making today is super simple, and you just follow along. And you don't have to have one that's already decorated, you can just have a plain piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. First thing we're going to do is fold it one time lengthwise. You can see on the back, if you have paper like this, you're going to fold it one time where that number 1 is down. So the first fold is going to look like that. And you're going to do that on both sides. So once you're done with step 1, it's going to look like this. Okay? And as you can see on my plane here, the second line's right here. We're going to fold from the point on that second line. And as you can see, when you fold, the bottom of your paper is going to be even with the bottom here on that fold. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side that hasn't been folded yet. Alright, so on your second fold, it's going to look like this. Alright, one more fold. Can you see that last dotted line? Again, we're going to fold where that bottom is even, so you can't even see it. On both sides. Okay, so your last fold, your airplane's going to look like this. Okay? And then I'm going to flip it up. This is the bottom, I'm showing you the bottom. You're going to just open the bottom piece, and the top 2 flaps are going to come up, and you're going to hold all of the paper except for the top 2 flaps. You're going to let them go up to form your airplane. All right, are you ready to fly this bad boy? One of these squares on my floor is 1 foot, so I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 feet. And mine hit the door, so let's see how far yours can go. So now that we've flown our airplane, your challenge is to make another design, use other paper, or come up with creative ways to get your airplane to fly further. Keep a record and let us know on our Facebook page how far your airplane flies. See you next time.